Hey everyone, Lenny here from Purposely Pixel. Today I want to demonstrate how the Pixel 6 Pro fingerprint scanner works and address some of the criticism of the fingerprint scanner that's built into the screen. Samsung S20 FE Fan Edition. This also has a built-in fingerprint scanner, and this is my Pixel 5 with the rear. I prefer the rear over all of them. I wish they had a rear fingerprint scanner, but they didn't do it, and there's nothing I can change. I wish they had face recognition, but they didn't do it. There's nothing I can change. I wish the iPhone had a fingerprint scanner. They didn't do it. Nothing I could do to change it. So we're going to have to live with what we have on these devices. The question is, are they deal breakers or not? With the Pixel 6 fingerprint sensor, there's been many complaints, and I personally don't have them. It's been fairly accurate. I would say 9 out of 10 times it works. They talk about speed. I mean, if you're talking a fraction of a second slower or even a half a second slower, I mean, come on, people, wake up and say, how much time does that actually take? I find it to be kind of ridiculous to hear it, but I'll demonstrate and you guys can give me your opinion and let me know what's going on. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button because we're going to have plenty more Pixel news coming to you from Purposely Pixel. So a lot of the complaints I hear is that the Pixel 6 fingerprint sensor is a mess, it's unreliable, there's unlock issues, and we're going to see all that right now. One of my complaints about the Pixel 6 Pro is that you don't always see the fingerprint icon. And if you don't see that, it makes it tougher for you to actually open it up. So on the Samsung, for example, it's always there, which I love. So we're going to test all three. So I'm going to do the fingerprint scanner on the back, and it's right there. And if I hit it on the first try, boom, opens up instantly. I'm going to take the Pixel 6 Pro, you tap on it, opens up. Take the Samsung S20 FE, tap on it, opens up. I don't know how much faster one is than the other. This seems to be the fastest, but in terms of actual speed, does it really make that much of a difference? I don't think so, right? So you have face unlock on the iPhone where it opens up fairly quickly, but then you have to swipe the screen up to use it. So they all have their little complaints that you might say that you wish you didn't have to do that. But overall, it's been a reliable fingerprint scanner. I'll show you again. This is what I was talking about. I don't see it. You'd have to lift it, shows up, hold it, and there it is. And that's the other thing that some might complain about it. You can't just tap it and press it. You have to hold it a little bit. So we'll do it again. Close it. It's right there. Hold. Opens. That means it's unlocked. See? S20 FE. Hold it. Unlock. Fingerprint scanner. Tap it. Unlocks. We'll go one more time with the Pro. That's one of the issues, but it unlocks every time. Are the issues warranted? Maybe some. Are they exaggerated? Yes, tremendously. Does it work? It works fine. I'll do it again. I haven't had an issue with it. Hold it, put your hand on it. There, it's unlocked. See? If I try to do this too quick, the same thing happens. Watch. Press a little longer. Can't just press it. You have to press a little longer. So if I do that here, same thing will happen. See? Hold a little longer. Hold it longer. Opens right up. I haven't had an issue with it. Obviously, to increase sensitivity, there's two options you could do. You could actually add the same fingerprint twice. That might help out. Or you could go into your settings. You'll go into display. As you can see here, you'll scroll down to where it says increase touch sensitivity. Turn it on. Now this will also help you into wintertime with gloves. But overall, I think the fingerprint scanner is fine. There's a lot of complaints that are over-exaggerated. Battery life, fingerprint scanner. So every device will have their things that might bother you a little bit. I really don't think the fingerprint scanner is an issue. I'll show it one more time. Maybe it'll fail this time, but I'll hold it. It opens right up. I don't know how much faster you want. Yes, could it be faster? Yes. That's less than a second. So I think it's pretty exaggerated that they say it takes too long, you gotta hold your finger too long. You guys just saw on camera what I did. So if you're new to this channel, once again, please subscribe. We're gonna have plenty of Pixel content on Purposely Pixel. Hit us up in the comments below. If you have the Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro, let us know your issues. Let us know what's going on. Maybe we can help, maybe we can discuss, and maybe you guys could help us figure out things that we're having trouble with. This is Lenny signing off from Purposely Pixel.